at the local time is 10:45. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened till the signs have been switched off. All devices for messaging, calls or internet access must remain switched off until the aircraft doors have been opened. Please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pocket, underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers. Do take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. Smoking is not permitted until you've reached the designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and on behalf of the captain and the entire crew, we'd like to wish you a very safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destination. Thank you and good morning.